this workshop, I learned a lot of things, especially in the elements of dance, especially in theater. So, this theater this workshop give us a lot of things, especially in the theater, especially the fourth floor, fourth wall at saka yung destination. So, ngayon ko lang po nalalaman na yun pala ay isang mga pamamaraan din sa pag-aak. So, hindi lang din yan yung mga technique sa sayaw, yung mga execution, how to execute the specific dance, and especially the point of our mga hands and our foot. So, ang masasabi ko lang po sa ating mga nagdudumala po dito ay thank you so much for your effort and your patience, and especially your expertise that you have shared to us, and especially your talent that you share to us. And sir, thank you so much. You are so very good, especially si Direk, si Sir Carlos, si Sir Ryan, Ayan, at yung kasama din ni Sir Carlos, kalimutan ko po yun. And then si Miss April, and saka yung kapatid ni Sir Ayan. So, thank you po sa kanila, dahil sa kanila. Dahil sa kanila, marami po kami natutunan, at saka we are so very happy and glad that you share your talent upon us at also. This is a big and major happy moment in my life. Thank you.